Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this magic device here. It is so thin but so powerful because this is the SwitchBot Wallet Finder Card. A Bluetooth tracker, a nighttime locator, and key finder for phones, luggage, keys, and wallets, of course. It works with the Apple Find My system, iOS only. And also, it works in Android systems, but not worldwide, only in Bluetooth mode. And it is an NFC reader. Up to 3 years battery life is possible, and it's water resistant. We have here an ultra thin design. This is perfect for wallets. At just 2.5mm thick, the SwitchBot Wallet Finder Card is slimmer than a coin, and it fits perfectly in our wallet or card holder without adding bulk. It's more suitable than a tag for wallet use. This offering a sleek, lightweight solution to keep our valuables safe anywhere and anytime. And we have global precision tracking with no extra apps. That makes it possible because it's Apple Find My compatible. We can use this extra without apps. Fully compatible with Apple Find My. The SwitchBot Wallet Card Finder allows us to locate our belongings anywhere in the world without needing to download any additional apps. With 78 decibel sound alerts and detailed route guidance, we can quickly retrieve lost items, thus giving us a peace of mind. And long-lasting battery life with the smart reminders and NFC notifications. Equipped with the 540 mAh battery, this item finder card design offers up to 3 years of continuous use without frequent battery changes. The SwitchBot app, which you can download in the App Store and in the Google Play Store, SwitchBot app, SwitchBot, will proactively remind us when the battery is low, below 20%. Ensuring we will never lose our valuables due to the dead batteries. Even when the battery runs out, it can still have a function as an NFC card, this providing additional utility to open your house, for example. And with a multifunctional waterproof design for all scenarios. With an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, this card is not only perfect for our wallet, but can also be attached to luggage, backpacks, and more, using the lanyard included. It provides reliable anti-loss protection in any weather condition, ensuring our belongings are safe, wherever we are outdoor or we are on a trip or travel or what else. And privacy protection anti-tracking. It protects our privacy with the bank rate of ASE 128 encryption. The anti-tracking mode notifies us if an unknown smart tracker is nearby, preventing unwanted tracking for us. The QR code on the bag allows finders to contact us directly, increase the chance of recovering the lost item. Maybe. Sometimes it should help you. And easy to use and, of course, a quick setup. Because it's compatible with nearly all devices. Where the SwitchBot Wallet Finder Card is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, with a setup process that can take less than 30 seconds. Anyone can quickly get started with that, regardless to technical expertise, and enjoy the convenience of cutting-edge technology. It's slimmer than slim. Versatile for just wallets with a thickness of just 2.5mm. A coin comes with 2.15 and a smart tag comes with 8mm thickness. and we track it anywhere. We use it with our lanyard and then place it on a backpack, luggage, or a car place. And it supports Apple Find My. This use with iPhone, iPads, and Macs worldwide to locate via Find My network. And find lost items. We check the location store lost items and emit a sound alarm to help locate them nearly. And prevent loss. When items leave our local vicinity, Find My, our app will automatically send us a notification and we can go and head it back into our property. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.